Hi, here is World Heritage. By the way, one of World Heritage Kapadokya place. The sim, yep. I think maybe you know I'm from Gauk or something, yep. And this is Pervaja in Turkish. In English, Angel's Chimney, maybe. In Japanese, Yosei no Entotsu. Yeah, and this is a cable hotel. Yeah, and our cable hotel is like this, and this is our cable hotel room. Yep. Me and someone. Yep. So by the way, yep, this is our head capital here. Yeah. Yeah. If you think you want to come here, we recommend very much because very beautiful place and amazing place makes us happy. This place, I think there are many power in here. Yesterday, yes, till yesterday, we stayed in Istanbul. Istanbul was also very nice place. So, okay, see ya.